What's up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and this November, we got the most amazing event planned for you guys. Myself and the crew are traveling up to Invade San Jose, California to throw an awesome car show and event with $500 in raffle prizes, plus a meet and greet event at California's finest auto detailing supplies. So myself and the crew are flying up, and we want to meet you guys and see your cool cars. So bring down your cool cars, your cool motorcycles, your awesome big trucks, your cool custom rides, down to California's finest detailing supplies at 1847 Little Orchard Street in San Jose, California. I'm gonna be there, the crew's gonna be there, and I'm gonna bring some amazing Legend Paste Wax with me to give away to some lucky viewers and some subscribers that come down and check out this cool show. So if you're in California and you wanna come check it out, come down to California's finest auto detailing supplies on Sunday, November 24th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. We're gonna have coffee, donuts, and remember, $500 in raffle prizes. So I want to meet you. Our crew wants to meet you. Come say hi with us. We're going to be doing vlogs and cool tutorials right there at the shop. So come down, meet the crew, and bring your cool car and get the coolest pictures at California's finest auto detailing supplies. Remember, put this on your calendar. Sunday, November 24th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. at 1847 Little Orchard Street. Come down there, have a great time. We're gonna enjoy it, and we're invading the Bay. So thanks a lot for viewing. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. We're really excited about it. If you guys can't make it and you're watching it from around the world, don't worry. We're gonna put out some amazing vlog videos so you guys can check out the whole event. This is Greg. We'll see you in Northern California, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.